Hi there! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a reposition element test. In this example, I want to move the add to cart to be below the price. In the ABcommerce extension, I will create a new test and give it a meaningful name. I will choose the button element. And from the options menu, I will select reposition element. Next, I need to select the new anchoring position and select after. You can see selector of the element and the anchoring for the new position. I will continue to other settings, and for winning metrics, I will select conversion rate. I don't want to define specific device targeting for this use case, so I can continue and launch the test.